Visualization techniques to calm your anxious mind. The goal of visualization is to help you quickly clear your mind of mental stress, tension, and anxious thoughts. When you are stressed, you can use visualization to help you relax. It is especially useful when your mind is racing with fearful, anxious thoughts. When used frequently, this visualization process is very effective for removing deep-seated mental anxieties or intrusive thoughts. To reap the most benefits, the exercise should be performed for at least 10 minutes at a time, as anything less will produce insignificant results. There is no correct or incorrect method for carrying out the visualization. Be intuitive with it, and don't feel you can't do it if you don't think you're very good at seeing mental imagery. You will benefit as long as your focus is on the exercise. It is best to perform this exercise in a quiet place where you will not be disturbed, and then, as you gain experience, you will be able to achieve the same positive results in a busier environment, such as the workplace. You should feel a calming effect on your mind, as well as a sense of mental release and relaxation. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, whether you're sitting or standing. Place one hand on your upper chest and one on your stomach to become aware of your breathing. Take a deep breath and allow your stomach to swell forward as you inhale and gently fall back as you exhale. Take the same depth of breath each time and try to establish a consistent rhythm. Your hand on your chest should move very slowly or not at all. Again, try to take the same deep breath each time you inhale. This is referred to as diaphragmatic breathing. When you're comfortable with this technique, try slowing down your breathing rate by taking a short pause after you've exhaled and before you breathe in again. It may feel as if you are not getting enough air at first, but with regular practice, this slower rate will soon become comfortable. It's often helpful to develop a cycle in which you count to 3 when you breathe in, pause, and then count to 3 when you breathe out, or 2 or 4, whatever works for you. This will also help you focus on your breathing without being distracted by other thoughts. If you notice other thoughts entering your mind, simply let them go and return your attention to counting and breathing. Continue to do so for a few minutes. By doing so, you will begin to strengthen the diaphragmatic muscle and it will begin to function normally, leaving you with a nice relaxed feeling all the time. Now shift your attention to your feet. Try to feel your feet as much as possible. Check to see if you can feel each toe. Consider the bottom of your feet and imagine roots slowly growing out through your soles and down into the earth. The roots are growing at a rapid pace and reaching deep into the earth soil. You are now firmly rooted to the ground and feel as stable as a large oak or redwood tree. For a few moments, hold on to this sense of grounded safety and security. After you've established a strong sense of being grounded like a tree, imagine a cloud of bright light forming far above you. A bolt of lightning from the luminous cloud strikes the crown of your head, igniting a band of bright white light that cascades down your body, over your legs, and out past your toes. Feel the band of light clearing your mind as it passes over you. It illuminates your mind and clears any disturbing or stressful thoughts you've been thinking about. Repeat this image 4 or 5 times more until you feel a sense of relief and release from any anxious thoughts. Finally, imagine yourself standing beneath a large, luminescent waterfall. The water is glistening and brimming with vitality and life. As you stand beneath the waterfall, you can feel the water running over every inch of your body, soothing you and instilling a deep sense of calm within you. Try to taste the water. Allow it to refresh you by opening your mouth and allowing it to run into it. Listen to how it bounces off the ground around you. Water is life itself, and it cleanses your mind and body of stress and worry. After a brief pause, open your eyes. When performing the visualization, try to use all of your senses. Use your senses of touch, taste, and hearing to make the images in your head as real as possible. Feel the water trickle down your body and hear the splashes as they pass over you. The more realistic the imagined scenarios, the greater the benefit. Many people report that using these simple visualizations regularly is very beneficial and soothing. The mind is similar to a muscle in that it needs to release what it is holding onto regularly to relax. You can use any situation or location to help you relax. This is analogous to finding your happy place. Perhaps you feel at ease in a swimming pool or on the beach. Consider yourself to be there. Just make sure that wherever you go in your mind is a place of calm and rest. By visualizing the various situations, you are allowing your mind to relax. It's as if you're telling your brain that when you close your eyes and start this process, it's time to let go of anything it's been mentally holding onto, including anxious thoughts. It is critical to practice letting go of stress daily to train your mind. You can learn to release all stress within minutes of beginning the exercise with practice. Your daily practice should be done before going to bed, as this will allow you to sleep better. Many people do these visualizations in another room before going to bed. As a result, when they enter the bedroom and close the door, they leave behind mental stress and anxious thinking. Just make sure you have enough time to concentrate solely on your mental images. Visualization is an extremely effective tool for dealing with mental stress. If such visualization is done correctly, you can achieve a deep sense of inner calm. This technique will most likely not help to end an anxiety attack, but it can help to prevent one from occurring in the first place. It is a very effective support tool for getting rid of general anxiety sensations. With practice, you will notice that you can go days without having anxious thoughts interrupting your life, which significantly reduces the level of general anxiety you feel. Visualization is a great tool for dealing with anxious thoughts and feelings.